Kimara yato yate stiki to buya tingan monede. Kilomonete city uno kira hino yata. Kimundu stiki hura hiamanete si ino yata. Kura hiragi no su tuya yala ya igume ataka yahu city la shikmuyata. Siklo huini yata ramonete stikere tulo muyata haya tuku. Kala hunuku yate stiki buda. Yela hunu kukera hisiki ki tustu kukela tustu moyada en esta karaia no huta dala hisiki di kisu bodada ila hono yata e distiki bode di esta kara yata ana yosade good. See people aren't paying attention. Greetings, goddesses and gods. People just won't let me do shit. Yo, so what's up? What's up? Let me talk chat. Trying out these new filters, a new camera. I had to get a new device. And of course the old app doesn't work on this phone, so whatever, right? That's how we deal with life. We evolve, we change, everything's ever changing. So I had to look around for new ones. So before I purchased this one for $3, because my cheap ass just have a time. Shit, you know what I'm saying? I gotta do all these filters and shit. But these got some badass filters though. But the other ones I was looking through, I had to buy. So I was like, damn, you know what I'm saying? Check it out. I just want to speak briefly on what light language is. We're going to redefine light language, because everyone's got their own definition, and that's what it's about. You know what I'm saying? It's about you know, and I'm just sharing my world. I'm analyzing my own delusional mind, you know, which is a self-philosophical way of being, you know, a self-philosopher, self-selective philosopher. But let's get down. I just want to say quickly what I've been observing about light language, which is really not even called that. I don't know who even came up with that term, but let's just stick with it because it's the most common term, because you can use all kinds of things. Like, really, it's from the heart. It's soul language. It's just speaking of the soul, universal language of the soul, which is really the heart. But anyway, that's really what it's about. It's about the heart vibration. When you get these vibrations from the heart, you hum. You start to mimic sound. And when you mimic things, you activate things. And when you activate things, these things could be memories. Some are, any memory in this lifetime. If you activate a memory in this lifetime, that means it needs healing. Or it is healing you. It depends on what kind of memory it is. So that if it's a good memory, beautiful memory, and wow, that means your manifestation is, coming forward, because it's keeping you in a good mood. And with the light language will enhance everything you do. And whatever bad language, I'm doing signals now, whatever bad memory or experiences, rather, even come up and it's bad, then that means that needs healing. You need to heal that whatever is coming up. And it's most likely when you start off with the language and whatever practice you're doing, that whatever you start off, most likely is going to be bad memories, trauma, experiences, because that's what it's meant to do. It's meant to bring all of this shit to light, to your awareness, the mind. And really, in the core of the light language speaking, the codes, the transmissions, the activations, you're activating memory, experiences. You're also activating your ancient memory, before you came to Earth. What did you instill in the body? When you created your body, what did you put inside of it? What kind of information did you put inside there? Because that's what true occult is, hidden. The world of hidden is inside of you, not out here. There's no hidden world out here. You can see everything. The real world of hidden wisdom is inside of you. Not a book. There isn't a book, but that's not you. That's not you, period. Those things are good tools to have because it helps you to activate memory, experiences from the past lifetimes. Then we get into what star seeds are. We get into what you as a being right now have an energetic signature of your birth chart, your numbers, and all these things, and what comes with those birth chart numbers. Who else in the lifetime history? This is what the Akashic Records is. We go all the way back to beginning of time, and you can see yourself, place yourself throughout the timeline, throughout time and in history, and put yourself in there because you use the law of attraction, because the light language is enhancing all this stuff. Yet they see when I get rid of these damn those fucking watermarks too. I buy only $3. I should probably buy it. I bought the other one. This one's a better filter though. I like it. I wonder if I can mess around with the filter. Well, I'm not gonna do that right now. But anyway. Whoa, what happened? What just happened? You see what I'm saying? It just it goes. There, check this out. Whoa! Oh shit, we can't do that. Whoa, what the fuck? It's got all these other shit in here. What's this? Ooh, wow, that's pretty crazy, yo. But let's not play with this right now. Let's just get back to business. Actually, I have done. Damn. Hello, I can see you. Shit, let's just go back here real quick. But anyway, like I said, all of this does is just activate. It's a memory enhancing. And not only that, but when you heal, when you bring up healing energy, bad energy to heal, whatever needs to be healed, you bring up, most likely it's all negative, and you speak the language of the heart, and this will enhance the healing. But you do this all in the mind. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to go to any place. You create your own place. You create your own place to be in. You create your own space. You make your space. You see, and however you carry yourself, whatever you're doing in your body, whatever you carry yourself, your mind, your soul, your being, it's going to ripple out. You see, and wherever you go, it'll be like living bubbles. Wherever we go, we have ripples. And it's going to keep, giving us what we need. However we feel, we put it out, it's coming back, putting out, and so forth and so forth. So if we're angry, it's coming back, it's going out, coming back in, we're angry. But we have the ability to change it. All we do is change the perception. You see, no, it's not. That's not what that is. You see, now we start to rename shit. We start to give our delusions meaning. And now we become philosophers. Self-selective artist is the correct term. Self-selective artist, which sounds a lot better. So that's my dude over there, the water guy, the jet ski cat. It's self-selective art. Artist is an advanced reality transformation. Now you just think about that, and you're already. What I'm doing here is a transforming reality, transforming this timeline right now. But this is basically, in a nutshell, the light language is an enhancer. It enhances your healing. It enhances your memory. It activates memory. And when you want to observe something, you go off into the woods, or you observe people gathering, whatever it is, animals, whatever you need to do. You start to observe. Now you start to can speak, and you just, like, how you sit there, people hum, right? They hum. You just start humming. Right? That's all you need to do. Start humming. And then when you see stuff, you start to notice more sound you make. You move. You see, you hear that. It goes, yeah. You want to keep mimicking. And the next thing you know, you're like speaking a different language, a different code. You can see what's going on. Just very simple. But all that in a nutshell is how that pretty much works. And and this will change. This will evolve. It's not going to stay the same. But somebody else will be like, oh, this is it. And this one over here. We're changing. We're evolving. Nothing stays. All flows. Nothing stays. All is ever going, flowing. And we're just going to remember that everything is constantly flux. In, out, up, down, everything. Constant. It's a constant movement. So, we want to be more, we don't want to get stuck. That's another thing the light language can do, is help you get out of stuck behavior patterns, thought patterns, you name it. This helps you get out. And what I also notice is that when you do the codes, you just get out of a lot of stuff. You start to notice your intuitive mind coming to light. These things are positive, so yeah, it's a real positive way of being, and that's that, So as we go on for 12 minutes, I'm going to get out of here, because I know no one's going to watch this whole video or whatever. And who knows? Hopefully it inspires someone and intrigues someone, or whatever the case may be. And because, we're building something here. We're building a whole new reality. And that's basically what it's about. It's, we're advanced. We're transforming reality. So just think of it that way, because if you look around you, everything is a game. Everyone's playing a game. Like, it's like these things don't make sense out here. It's almost insulting to you, because it's like, this is soul. That's not soul. There's nothing's uplifting going on here. You know what I'm saying? The fact that science says that reality is in the mind, in the brain, nothing makes sense. And we're making it make sense. We just rename shit. We give shit new meanings. And that's it. And don't let people get in your way. People will get in your way. Say, well, no, that's not the correct way. This is the way, I was instilled. I was taught this through a bunch of people told me this, to tell that this is the way it should be. I can't think for myself. I do not want to think at all. I'm saying, like, it gets wild. People get wild. They just don't want to think. They're afraid to think and use the brain. I don't know what it is, man, but I don't know. I'm with you. I overstand it. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here. It's lonely out here, but I'm trying to do the best I can, because the more light that it's being put out, it's more dark it gets, the heavy it becomes, So I'm gonna break out, because I'm gonna get this shit done today. I thought I'd get the message out here about this light language codes. I've got an experience to talk about, again, about creating reality, about changing who you are, renaming you, and whatever. We'll get into that later. It's another video. It's a couple experiences about light working. And that's a whole nother thing we're gonna get into. I'll be back soon. I love you guys. Bear with me. I'm busy. It's a busy time, growing season. I'm getting to the point to get out of this shit, because it's beating the fuck out of my body. And I'm going to get into this whole teaching, ascension coach thing, because truly is what is going on here is we are ascending. We're not. That's really what's going on, and all these things are helping the ascension process of the individual. That's another thing that's going on here, and a lot of people with weakness, when things are going on right now, is making your weakness speed up and become faster. Where if you're evolving, whether you're ascending or descending, whatever is going on out here in your environment, reality, whatever your belief system is, if you're in the process of descending, it's going to speed up that descension. Whether you're ill, whether you believe weird, whatever it is, and the ascension, it's going to speed up the process. So that's really what's going on here. Is we're being sped up fast. Time is speeding up, language is speeding up, and that's really what's happening. Whether there's no time, but this language is speeding up. We are speeding up. Trust that. So on this happy note, hopefully this was informational, educational, inspirational, and whatever additional you want to call it. And that's the way it goes, yo. And those people in Cleveland, we need to get together and create this community. We have a center to rent into, create whatever it is. I don't know what it is, but something is definitely going on in Cleveland. I love you guys. I'll see you soon. Be unique, be magical, but all that fucking bullshit, whatever the fuck, farts and glitter and unicorns. I love you guys. I'll see you soon.